Okay, in this video we are going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So we want to find the derivative of sine x divided by 4x. So this is a great example of a quotient rule problem. And the quotient rule, you have to do low d high minus high d low divided by square root of what's below. So let's break that down. So low would be our denominator, 4x. D high, so derivative of the numerator, and the numerator is sine x, minus high, so again the numerator, d low, so derivative of the denominator, and it's squared of what's below, so the denominator squared. So that's really how we're going to set this problem up, and then we're just going to expand and clean it up a little bit. So this is going to equal, you have your 4x. The derivative of sine x is cosine x, so we can write cosine x minus high, which is the sine x term. And the derivative of 4x is just 4. And then we're going to square what's below, so 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. So next we'll just clean up a little bit. So we will say 4x times cosine x, and then you distribute the negative just to your sine x, so you'll have negative 4 sine x, and we're dividing by 16x squared. And so to make our lives easier, I can divide each piece by 16x squared and just split it up. And so in doing this, and when we clean it up next, so we have 4x divided by 16x squared, so this can be canceled, and this can turn into a 4, and then the x squared just goes away and you just get an x. So this piece right here would be cosine x divided by 4x. Now here you have a 4, here you have a 16, so the 4 can go away, the 16 can turn into a 4, and then you can get minus sine x divided by 4x squared. And this right here is our final answer. And in the description box, there's going to be 2 playlists. One playlist has categorized derivative problems, and the other playlist contains random derivative problems. So if you want extra practice, check it out. And that's pretty much it for this video.